Yeah, because you're sober. So obviously you want to do that.
My
Right.
level of sobriety is like no mind altering substances, like not even prescriptions. Like I take whatever, like
Me too.
Tylenol, it's like taken as the label
Yes.
describes.
Yep.
I measure, like I used to down a bottle of NyQuil when I was sick.
Right.
Fuck it.
Absolutely.
Like let's see where this goes.
Cold syrup, yeah. Cough syrup, yeah.
And like now I'm like, like fucking trying to measure out. Like I was like,
Right.
oh, that's a little too much.
You got your beaker out.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's a little pipette and just